Namaste. My name is Harshvardhan Dawar and I am the founder of Wealth Cafe. I grew up watching my father manage multiple businesses and be an advisor to our extended family members. I believe he had a major clout with all our family members because he knew how to handle money and taxation really well. And that was my introduction into the world of money and finances. I completed my graduation in BCom Honors from the Satyasai Institute of Higher Learning. With a strong set foundation, I went on to become a chartered accountant in 2009. To put a strong case for being a personal financial advisor, I went on and completed FRM from the GARP Institute in 2008 and also earned my CFA charter from the CFA Institute in 2010. Wealth Cafe was set up in 2010 with the goal of providing clients with the right financial advice at the right time. Apart from advising our clients, spreading financial literacy has been a priority for us for the last 10 plus years. The launch of the online courses has made it a reality for us to reach out to a much larger audience than we could have done through our physical presence. I am a firm believer that anyone can learn about money, whatever your gender and whatever your educational background. All you need is the basic math that you learned in school and you can get started with managing your money. So buckle up, put your thinking caps on as we start this journey of learning how to manage your money.